This is Dr. Steven, and welcome back to Gentle Health. Today we are going to talk about something that affects almost everyone after the age of 60. It is called muscle loss, or sarcopenia. Many people think this happens only because of aging, but that is not the full truth. Muscle begins to fade because the body stops getting the right nutrients and signals. Inflammation rises, hormones change, and digestion weakens. The good news is that you can slow this down and even fight back with the right kind of food. One surprising food that helps is cheese. Let us begin with aged Parmesan. This traditional cheese is rich in leucine, the amino acid that tells your body to build new muscle. Without leucine, no matter how much protein you eat, your muscles will not repair. Parmesan is also full of calcium and vitamin K2, which protect bone strength. Because it is aged for many months, it is easier to digest and gentle on the stomach. A small amount of Parmesan can support both muscles and bones, making it an excellent choice for seniors. Next, let us look at cottage cheese. This cheese is special because it contains casein, a slow-digesting protein. When eaten in the evening, it provides a steady release of amino acids through the night, exactly when the body does its deepest repair. Cottage cheese also contains tryptophan, which helps the brain produce melatonin for restful sleep. For older adults who often struggle with light or broken sleep, cottage cheese, before bedtime, supports both muscle repair and better rest. Now we turn to goat cheese. Unlike most cheeses made from cow's milk, goat cheese contains a gentler form of protein. This makes it easier to digest and less likely to cause bloating or discomfort. Goat cheese also provides medium-chain fatty acids, which are quickly turned into energy instead of being stored as fat. It is rich in probiotics that support gut health, and this is important because a healthy gut improves nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation. Goat cheese is an excellent option for seniors who want nutrition without digestive problems. When we bring these three cheeses together, aged Parmesan for strength, cottage cheese for nighttime repair, and goat cheese for easy digestion, they become more than food. They become tools to protect your muscles, your balance, and your independence. Add them in small amounts, along with light daily movement and good sleep, and you give your body the right message. Stay strong, stay active, and keep rebuilding. Even after 60, your body still remembers how to grow. You just need to give it the right support. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Gentle Health for more guidance on staying strong and healthy.